Kinakabahan ka ba? Exam? Only a little? Ano naman na-feel mo? Kinakabahan. Para sa vlog ko to. Mahihain po siya. She's not a fan of coffees. Hi guys, we're here in Baguio. I was actually contemplating if I'm going to vlog or not, but I guess this is a milestone for my sister, so I would rather record it. I'm accompanying her to take her entrance exam in BSU. I haven't been in BSU or Benguet. I think I've been in Benguet when I was high school, years back. But that's it. I already don't know anything apart from that. So, samahan niyo kami. Ano yun, mag-e-exam na may dysmenorrhea? Here's the funny thing. She was eating kanina and something fell from there, from the sky. Linta! Asan na? Meron pa? Andyan pa? Asan? Oh my gosh, there it is. Nahulog talaga siya dito. I'm just glad ubos na niya yung steak niya. And there's just potatoes around. It depends on what she wants. We shall not enforce our way to their decisions. Like choosing university you're going to college to. You're going to college is choosing your university you're going to college is a big decision actually, because you're going to spend 4 years of your life here, 4 or more depending on your course. So I want her to make the decision and own up for it para walang sisihan kung oh yan naman kasi pinili mo, pwede rin sabihin ano eh. Break. I beat you siya. Uy, nasa kala ko. Tanong ng bayan. Will this be your newfound university or not? So we're here. Okay. Maaga ka pa. Maaga masyado. Guys, we're already here and we arrived pretty early. Our exam is from 1 p.m. and it's ready to 12. And so we just found a spot. Dito muna kami under the tree to wait for the time. While killing time, I may edit some vlogs. Because I'm expecting there's charging station here. I'm a guest. Now. Like how okay. Sagutan mo naman lahat.
Kasi 7 minutes per call. Ayan, 40 plus.
40 questions.
Ayan, plus 7 minutes.
Mga ilang items ang hindi mo natapos?
Yung 15 ganun.
15?
Kasi, itong ano yan eh.
15?
Ano eh.
Ah, okay.
Marami na section yan.
So, parang mga ilang items?
15, 40, 20, 25. Luma.
Ano yung composition ng exam? Parang ano mga laman? Teacher, parang
Math.
madami.
Medical education.
Sige, you did great. I'm proud of you. That was nice. Do you think you give it your all? I just wish natapos, pero it's okay. You did your best. That's what's important. Where do you wanna go? Let's go. Do you feel like this university is speaking to your soul? Sabagay, this is just your first option. No? This is your first option. Ako kasi nun, dimso lang pinag-examan ko, pumasa naman. Kaya hindi na ako... Although hindi mo kasi malalaman, di ba? Ang risky nga nun eh, hindi na ako nag-exam sa iba. Kamusta? Girl.
Yeah.
Bagay. Like, at the same time, you know? Kasi parang I want something that could volumize the hair or whatever. Sana maganda pa din kahit na hindi na siya blower. Come on, guys. We're going to eat whatever you want. Charet. Ano bang gusto nyo? Shall we find a cafe here? You know, syempre, yung taga-Baguio ang tatanungin natin. Anong recommendation mo, girl? A long session somewhere near SM. O, di ba? Mas masaya. niya?
500.
500? Wala akong maalala. Bakit? Wala kang pera? 500? Oh my God! Wala akong maalala na nagbigay ka sa akin ng something.
Ano ba available? Oh. Ano Ferris wheel?
Check nyo nga.
Sky, ano taas? Sky cruiser.
May nakawala na agad ng pera sa mga batang ito at mag-outro na dapat ako eh. Wala na tuloy ng pera. Paano nga yan? Hindi, masaya ba sila? Siyempre, nakawala ng pera. Ano pa ba? Sinong gagastos kundi? Okay guys, I will do my outro here since it's late in the evening and I'm just waiting for them to finish the ride and then we will come home, go home, and early in the morning we'll be back. We're going back to Ilocos. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed our vlog and hope to see you next time. Bye!